My name is Alex Cecilio. I'm a graphic artist, and I'm going to show you how to lighten color in Photoshop. So here I have my image, and I'm going to show you really quickly how to make it so your color is lighter if you so choose. So the first thing I'm going to do is in your layers panel, there's this half black, half white circle. Click that and hold it down and go to the bottom, selective color. This is going to open up your colors. So recognize what colors you want lightened. So I want my green lightened. So I'm going to hold that little bar down and I'm going to select green or greens. And then you can start playing with the different aspects of this color. But the way you lighten it is to adjust the black. Like that. And you can do relative or absolute. It doesn't really change a whole lot. And the darker your color is, the harder it's going to be to lighten it. But taking out yellow can also change this. But if that still doesn't work and you just want all the color to be lightened, just go to neutrals and bring the white up quite a bit, and that'll lighten your color for you. My name is Alex, and this is how you lighten color in Photoshop. Thank you.